I did a 3-night solo camping at Warrabah National Park. Warrabah National Park is managed by New South Wales Parks, and it is off Tamworth of New South Wales, and it's about 489 kilometers from Sydney, from where I live, and it's about 6 hours drive. A scenic park, what attracted me to the park was mostly the remote nature of it, and other attractions like birds and river, Naomi River, which is flowing through the park, and nice walking tracks, which the media posted about. So I spent 3 nights there, set up the camp myself, cooked some delicious meals, did a lot of walking along the walking tracks, did some bird photography, and enjoyed the 3 nights to the maximum. So every campsite is numbered. This campsite number 5, and every campsite has a table like this, a fixed table that is quite useful. So my campsite, and I have a fire pit which I used, which I carried from Sydney, which I used during the cold nights. So I had 3 areas, mainly the tent, the gazebo, and also a washing area, if you put it that way. And the tent is a Coleman 4-man tent. It's quite a nice tent which can be set up quite quickly. It can accommodate 2 people quite easily. Currently, just me with my camping bed, sleeping bags, and other things being set up inside the tent. And my beloved traveling companion, my camping chair, currently is holding my headlamp uh, to charge it for the night. In this area, I have some storage boxes, obviously, which I use to carry various things from including my dry rations, and also uh, I have my escape box with ice and firewood and fire kindlings to set up the fire in the night. Nights are cold. I went down to about 5 degrees yesterday, so nice campfire is always nice. And I have 2 tables set up for cooking area. So this one I had my 2 burner with a windshield. Windshield is very important if you're cooking in windy conditions. And also this equipment is called camping kitchen, very well thought piece of equipment where you can hold a lot of things if you're cooking, and also plate rack. And this is my drinking water, obviously, which I carried from Sydney. So the facilities include a toilet and a tap which right next to the campsite, we shared by another campsite. Quite clean, I should say. So the campsite is situated in a very scenic area, right next to the river. Warrabah National Park boasts of having more than 120 different types of different varieties of birds. But unfortunately, I did not spend enough time on bird photography on this specific tour. I just spent one morning and one evening only. Evenings are these days pretty short, given it's close to winter. Managed a few decent shots, nothing very special, but nevertheless, these are the photos I took during the period. For the fun of it, I thought let's make some Thai lunch. This is not actually, one would say, this is not really camping food, but I had a time in my hand today. There's nothing else to do, so I thought I'll do some Thai cooking. Not very kind of sophisticated Thai cooking, because I don't have all the ingredients. So I'll try to manage with whatever I have, and also it's not a fully fledged meal. I'm going to make one curry, a rice, and a salad. Putting this. Okay, so we have the meal ready now. So we have done the salad dressing as well as cut the carrot properly. Salad dressing has Thai chili, soy sauce, sugar, lime juice, salt, and pepper in there. Um, then we have the jasmine rice nicely cooked in a bit of a sticky manner, and also the green curry prawns with the ingredients I showed you earlier. So everything is nicely cooked and ready. So what I will do is I will have a quick cold bath from the river and enjoy the lunch that was freshly prepared. Okay, the night has fallen and you can see things are quite dark here. So I'm going to use my head torch. There you go. You can now see the camp in the dark. So what I'm going to do next is actually to light up the two lamps which I nicely cutting up. So this is how my little campsite looks in the night. Now you can see the fire is showing off its full capability. One thing left to do when you have fire like this and a chilly night like this. So my dinner today is going to be very simple. I'm going to make some mashed potatoes, but not by boiling the potatoes, by burning the potatoes. So I have got some potatoes wrapped in aluminum foil like this. Now I'm going to put them into the mix. I'm experimenting another thing, trying to fry an egg from the fire. No reason why this should not work, but let's see. I'll show you the results. Okay, so this is the fire cooked dinner. I burned one of the potatoes, so only one potato I was managed to take, and fire cooked egg as well. So I'll combine some tuna and maybe a piece of bread. All right, everything is now packed, ready to go. Everything is in the jeep. It took me some time, about 3.5 hours, slightly more than I thought I would take, but it's a complete campsite, so I can understand why it took that long. So doing the last thing, having my breakfast now, and we'll be leaving in 10 minutes or so. Had a wonderful time.